Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the gender trait in a photo. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your web browser and you have to search for this web, heyphoto, and you just need to type in heyphoto and this website will appear and you have to open this website. And we're going to use this website to change the gender trait in a photo. And you have to log in before you use this website. Here I have logged in with my Google account, and after we have logged into this website, we will be able to use this website to change the gender trait. And we can click on browse to upload our photo. I'm just going to upload it and click on open and wait until the photo has been uploaded to this website. Okay, and if we want to change the gender trait, we can go to the gender menu right here. And I'm going to create male version of this woman. So I'm just going to drag it to the right like this. And we just need to wait for a moment. And as you can see that the gender trait has been changed, and you can also drag it to the left or slide it to the left to create a male version. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change the gender trait in heyphoto. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.